I'm Henny, a Beyond staff member. So today, I've lined up two cars side by side to shoot a video. And as for what I'm going to introduce, well, I think I'll start with the blue car first and show you this short bumper. So, actually, this one is still a car with only its face changed. The ride height is normal and the bumper is also normal. Well, the owner has already changed the grille, but they're really thinking about what to do with the bumper next. However, regarding this bumper, it's not like they absolutely hate the shape of it either. However, they do seem a little bit concerned about how it can look rather bulky when you view it from the front. So, well, that's where I'd like to introduce this bumper here. It's the short bumper from Beyond. Well, probably, if you compare it with the left side. You'll notice quite a difference in size. It's going to stand out. Well, even though it's different, since the lower skid plate is attached, the length itself is made quite short. And the design itself, as expected, because people actually quite like the shape of the stock bumper, so I definitely haven't made this bumper with differences that make it look completely far off from the stock one. I've tried my best to keep the good parts of the stock one and similar aspects. For example, the area around the fog lights as well has a very close feel to, well, the stock one. Well, if I were to name a difference, it's this part here, where the stock one goes down a bit. So those areas, while it might sound weird to say we cut them off, but we've subtracted parts here and there, and well, we made the bumper to look quite stylish. So even if you change to this bumper, I think it's one you can install without really ruining the original stock atmosphere. And actually, this bumper, has two types of patterns. Right now, this bumper is what we call a skidless type. So the size is just up to here, and additionally, underneath, it's like you would use a plate type skid plate. Well, regarding this part, depending on your preference, you could use a different skid plate, or we even have ones with a kangaroo bar attached. So you could use those as well, I think. Just to note, yeah, probably, for code, 345 or so, they use this bumper. And some have a skid plate under the slightly protruding pipe. Well, that's up to you. And the other one is an integrated skid type, which has the bottom part too. Right now, among our company's cars, there's another one, a medium car, the Sierra over there. That Sierra is exactly the one, fitted with the integrated skid plate. This one is basically the integrated skid type. And well, I haven't really explained much about this car, so it'll be really brief. But regarding this car, well, if you look right here, you can see a difference. But it has a 64, a bumper for a 64 fitted on it. This part is attached here. Well, we have these two types. And for this car here, we've fitted a type that doesn't have an integrated skid plate, but instead uses a plate attached underneath like this, you see. So if you can, well, compare it a bit with the car on that side, and if the cameraman could just follow along from over here, when you come to the bumper on this side, I think it gives off a really clean and neat impression. So, well, if you change the grille and then attach something like this, that upper grille will also stand out even more. So, well, there are some highly recommended points about this bumper. And then, for customers who want to put on larger tires, this part here, the size of this part is actually quite different. Well, these are 225/75 R16. I think I mentioned these tires in the last video when fitting this fender. But with quite large tires like these, the clearance right here really opens up. So there's an advantage when fitting them, because if you just fit them like this, the front part will end up rubbing against it. So it's actually a highly recommended bumper. I think for customers who change the grille and really dislike that bulky feel, this will be quite a highly recommended bumper. Well, our ambassador here, Mr. Asami's car as well, has this bumper fitted. So, well, if you could just take a look at that too. Well, as a reference for customizing, that one's fitted to a 3, so, I think it makes it quite easy for customers wanting to fit it to a 3 to get an image. So, well, I think it'd be great if you could check that out as well. Well, that just about wraps up, the explanation of the bumper. And, actually, this car, is on display at the shop, and on top of that, we also have the products themselves in an unpainted state. So, for any customers who want to see the items, if you're interested, please come and visit us over at Aeon Mall Futsu, where you can take a look at the products. And, furthermore, if you have any questions about customizing, or, well, aren't sure what to do, please feel free to consult us about that too. Well, I think we can figure it out together with you while looking at the car. So we'd be absolutely thrilled if you could come and visit us at Aeon Mall Futsu. And plus, we would be even happier if you could subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thank you very much for watching.